Hello students, let us try to understand inductive effect students, okay, and that too electromagnetic effect is also there. But firstly we are trying to understand inductive effect. Inductive effect is permanent polarity effect. This is also known as permanent polarity effect in covalent bond. So dear student, let us try to have what is meaning of this inductive effect. When a covalent bond is formed between two atoms of different electronegativity, when a covalent bond is formed between atoms of two different electronegativity, the sigma electron of the bond gets shifted toward the more electronegative atom of the bond that result in the polar covalent bond, right? Suppose student, here the electronegativity of chlorine is something 3.5, and if you talk about the carbon is, this is 2.5 student. So there is the difference of electronegativity. So as a result, what is happening, this sharing electron are being transferred towards the chlorine. As a result, this chlorine is acquiring the partial negative and carbon is partial positive charge. Such a polarization of sigma bond, which is the result of the polarization of adjacent sigma bond, is referred as inductive effect. This is what is known as inductive effect. Let us see the inductive effect in chloropropane. So this is the what is known. This is the compound is chloropropane student. No, this is the chloro prefix first and 3 carbon is there, propane. In the example, Cl being is the most electronegative, draws some electron density towards it. So electron density is being shifted towards the chlorine because it is having the more electronegativity. Such a way that the carbon first gains some positive charge. So here it is acquiring partial positive charge and the chlorine some negative charge. In turn, C1, which has developed partial positive charge, draws some electron density towards it. Okay, so what the point is student, they are saying that here you see student, here what the point is they are saying C1 which has developed partial positive charge draws some electron density towards from the adjacent CC bond. Consequently, C2 develops some partial positive charge. So double partial positive charge. Similarly, C3 develop partial positive charge, triple delta due to presence of partial positive charge. Okay, so this is what that is. It is also requiring little bit positive charge. This is also requiring little bit positive charge. The order of inductive effect is what is, that is partial positive charge, single one, then double delta, then triple delta. Inductive effect weakens steadily with increasing distance from the substituent electron withdrawing or electron donating group. Inductive effect become vanishingly small after 3 bond. So after 3 bond, inductive role of inductive effect is 0. There are two types of inductive effect, minus I effect and plus I effect. We are talking about minus I. It is the substituent attached to the end of the carbon chain is electron withdrawing. The effect is called minus I effect. Minus I effect of some of the atoms group decreasing order are what? This is NO2, Cn, COOH, F minus, Cl minus, Br minus and I minus. So this is what is the order of inductive effect. Now plus I effect. If the substituent attached to the end of the carbon chain, is electron donating, the effect is called plus I effect. So here this is the plus I effect because CH3 group is what is, that is at the, they are the donating the electron density. So plus if I effect of some of the atoms group is decreasing order is what is there student, CH3 thrice C, CH3C, CH3CH. This is the order of the plus I effect student, right? So this is all about the inductive effect student. Thank you so much for watching friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel and don't forget to comment students.